We're going to go ahead and replace our radiator trim cap here. It's located right here underneath your hood. I'm going to go ahead and remove our radiator cap. Pay attention, you don't want to touch this when the vehicle is hot or it has been recently run. You want to let this cool off for a bit. I'm going to go ahead and open up our radiator cap and remove it. At this point here, I want to go ahead and replace this black trim piece here. You can use a couple different tools. You can use a pick or you can use a pocket screwdriver. We're simply going to go under the edge here. I want to go ahead and release the cap here. Just going to pry off these little tabs here. Now in most cases, these just happen to get brittle, crack, fall off. In our case here, I'm just going to go ahead and replace ours. Let's switch over to our pocket screwdriver. Just get underneath and pop off the little retaining clips here. There we have it. Simply take the new component, line this up, and you're going to press it down into place. And you hit snap into place. There's two little tabs, one here, one over here that'll lock into. Here's your cap. I'm going to go ahead and line that back up. Get that cap popped into place, twist, lock it in, and just dispose of your old trim.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.